Guys, welcome back to Toys and Play, and today I'm going to be showing you a butter slime pack. So on the outside it says slime, and there's a tub of slime with some charms in it. And then when you open it, there is a bunch of different colored slimes. So we have a blue one, have a red one, have a yellow one, a peach colored one, a light pink color, a more dark pink color, a purple color, a brown color, and a light blue color. So we have some pink foam balls to put inside the slimes, and we have more of these different kind of decorations. And we also have nice charms. So we have ice cream, a cupcake, a pear, a grape, a lemon, a lollipop with two colors, a unicorn, and a lychee. So guys, this is all the slime and all the accessories and stuff all set out like a display. And I also forgot to mention that they're actually scented, so they're even more nice to smell. So now I'm going to take one of the slimes out. So now I'm going to put some charms in it. So I'll put this one and this one. And now I'm going to squish it. And guys, the texture is amazing. It's like watery and so soft. The texture is also really rubbery. Okay, so now I'm going to take another one out. I'm going to take the peach one out. So I'm going to put some of these foam balls in. Open the packet. And just take some. There we go. And now you have to squish it so it all doesn't come out. So now I'm going to take the yellow color out. This time I'm going to put these ones instead of the foam balls. Just a bit more. Now I have to squish it so it doesn't come out. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure children under 3 years old are not allowed to use these because they are choking hazards. Anyway, make sure you subscribe, like and share. Bye!